Hello, this is Sim Smart Farm. Today I will show you the result of the second harvest. It passed 1 week after the first harvest. I got about 30 grams for the second harvest. The following video shows the harvest. The first harvest was done at 8th August and the second harvest was done at 15 August. I could get 2 grams more for the second harvest as compared to the first harvest. After the second harvest, I gave fertilizer prepared by coffee grounds and soil. The following video shows the process. Okay, it's all I want to talk today. See you to next video. I wish you a good day. Bye bye.